Are you looking for the best standing desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best standing desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vari ComfortEdge Standing Desk. I've tested or owned 6 different standing desks in the past 3 years, and the Vari ComfortEdge is the only one I can't find any fault with, aside from the weight that comes with the bomb-proof build quality. I've tested this desk in 2 sizes, and both performed amazingly well. The best feature is the laminated wood top with a sloped front edge, which allows you to comfortably rest your forearms while typing or talking. It may seem like a minor thing, but I spend 8 hours a day leaning against my desk, and a softer, sculpted edge makes a world of difference. The second best feature is the incredible ease of assembly and disassembly. The Vari desk has 2 T-shaped legs that are ready to go. To assemble the desk, you simply slide each leg onto a slanted slot and then attach it with 2 screws. Taking it apart to move is equally easy. You can attach casters to easily spin the desk around for a preferred position or backdrop, and the desk lifts and lowers with a confident hum. There are buttons for 4 programmable preset heights, so you can press once and sip your coffee while it finds its level. The desk comes in sizes up to a massive 6-foot width, which strikes me as somewhat obscene. The 48-inch is perfect for most people, though I've taken to the 40-inch because it fits my space better and still has plenty of room for a keyboard, speakers, a mouse, and an iMac. I normally shy away from blonde wood finishes, too IKEA-y, but the lightest shade of the Vari ComfortEdge desk looks clean and sophisticated. Martin Sismer. Specs. Height range, 25 to 50.5 inches. Desktop sizes, 40 by 26, 48 by 30, 60 by 30, 72 by 30 inches. Memory presets, 4. Load, 220-pound operational load. Weight, 109.8 pounds, for 48 by 30. Warranty, lifetime. Number 2. Branch Duo Standing Desk. The Duo was initially billed as a compact desktop, though it's now available in larger sizes. Branch's laminated MDF comes in several snazzy designs and is hard not to like. It supports a variety of add-ons, including a desk tray to extend the reach of the desktop. I use it to hold a candle, a cable organizer, as well as a desk drawer. The dual motors are very quiet, too. There's a lip at the center back of the desk to feed wires through. I like the paddle control panel. Lift it to raise the desk and push on it to lower it. A double press moves it to your height preset, though setting up these height presets isn't all that intuitive. There's a hidden gear key icon on the right side of the control panel. Once you move the Duo to your preferred height, tap the gear key twice to save the position. The screen will show a heart icon with the number 2. Repeat the same process, and it will save it as number 1. It's easy to follow, but keep that manual handy if you ever want to remember how to change it again. I have also tested and like Branch's full-size standing desk. It's larger, has a brushed grommet for pulling cables through the desk, and has a greater adjustment range, not to mention 4 height presets. Specs. Height range, 28 to 47.8 inches. Desktop sizes, 36 by 24, 48 by 24, 58 by 27 inches. Memory presets, 2. Load, 275-pound operational load. Weight, 115 to 122 pounds. Warranty, 10 years. Number 3. Flexispot EN1 Standing Desk, 48 by 30 inches. I bought this electric adjustable height standing desk during a Prime Day sale, hoping to stave off some of the negative effects of 9+ hours of WFH sitting per day, regardless of recent research stating this isn't possible. I had my husband parse the surprisingly complicated directions to assemble the base and its mechanical innards, and after a few hours, it was Zoom meeting ready. I pushed the up button on the base's control panel, and up went the desk, on only one side. Down went my notes, pens, computer, and full cup of coffee. Thankfully, Flexispot's customer service was prompt and responsive, helping to diagnose an assembly issue after I provided photos and video. However, I did have to go through the Flexispot website. Amazon wanted me to return the desk at my expense. The down button is still slow to respond and often catches, but otherwise, the desk has been reliable, stable, and spacious, with a 60x 24-inch top and convenient hooks on either side for cords or headphones. The steel base adjusts smoothly and quietly, 38 decibels on my decibel meter, from 28 to 46 inches high, with 4 programmable presets for sitting or standing. I'm 5 feet 6 inches and found the maximum standing height perfect for using a MacBook Air. The one-piece top is laminated particle board available in a range of wood tones, white, or black. The maple color I chose isn't the classiest look and reminds me of my elementary school desk, but it is perfect for cleaning up the inevitable spills from coffee and WFH desk lunches. Cat Merc. Specs. Height range, 28.1 to 45.7 inches. Desktop sizes, 40 by 24, 48 by 24, 48 by 30, 55 by 28, 60 by 24 inches. Memory presets, 4. Load, 154-pound operational load. Weight, 81.8 pounds. Warranty, 5 years. Number 4. Flexispot EN1 Standing Desk. The Flexispot EN1 desk offers a spacious, seamless surface that not only looks great but also provides a stable workspace. With its electric height adjustment feature, you can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and reducing discomfort during long work hours. The desk also includes 4 memory presets, allowing you to save your preferred heights for quick access. Built with a sturdy steel frame, this desk can support up to 154 pounds, ensuring it can hold all your work essentials securely. Enjoy a more flexible and healthier work environment with this thoughtfully designed desk. What we like: sturdy and well constructed, easy to assemble, seamless height adjustment, spacious desktop area, elegant design. What we don't like: minor wobble at peak height, separate shipping for components. Number 5. VIVO Electric Height Adjustable Corner Stand-Up Desk. The VIVO Electric Height Adjustable Corner Stand-Up Desk is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish workstation. It features a spacious main desk and return desk, accommodating a variety of monitor and laptop setups, and a powerful single motor with a height range of 29-inch to 48. The all-steel frame and sturdy particle board tabletops can support up to 176 pounds with maximum stability, and the easy-to-use push-button controller features 2 memory presets to save your preferred heights. What we like: spacious and versatile design, sturdy and reliable construction, quiet electric height adjustment, easy assembly with clear instructions, aesthetically pleasing appearance. What we don't like: some minor assembly challenges. Seams on desktop may be visible.